Now we'll look into another topic that is related to Indian diaspora. What do you mean by this? When I say Indian diaspora, these are the Indians who are spread across the globe, who are spread across the globe. And for the purpose of this Indian diaspora, an application has been developed, an app has been developed. What is that? Let's try to understand now. Look at this. Look at this. What is the name of application launched by the government to connect the Indian diaspora spread all over the world? What is the name of the app? Very, very, very important. Fine. Look at this. Bharat Pravasi Rista Portal, Global Pravasi Rista Portal, or Ind Pravasi Rista Portal. And the answer is option B, that is Global Pravasi Rista Portal. Look at this, the points related to this. The government of India has launched the Global Pravasi Bharati, Pravasi Rista Portal and mobile app. This application aims to connect Indian diaspora spread all over the world. So the basic idea is to connect the Indian diaspora. With whom? Let's look into this. The Global Pravasi Rista Portal and mobile app will help to connect, look at the number, 3.12 crores Indian diaspora spread all over the world. It will create three-way communication between Indian missions. Indian missions means Indian embassies, External Affairs Ministry and Indian diaspora. Right? And for our understanding, Indian diaspora means the scattered population whose origin is India. Very, 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 very important. And you have to remember the name of this app, Global Pravasi Rista Portal. Right?